Level 9, Advanced. The Lion and the Mouse. The lion, ruler of the jungle, once lay fast asleep beneath the shade of a great tree. By chance, a mouse scurried across his body, waking him. In anger, the lion pinned the tiny creature beneath his paw and threatened to crush him. The trembling mouse cried, "Please, noble lion, forgive me. If you spare me, I may one day repay your kindness." The lion, amused by the thought that such a small animal could ever help him, laughed and released the mouse. Not long after, hunters ensnared the lion in a thick net. His furious roars shook the forest, but he could not break free. The mouse, hearing the cries, came swiftly and gnawed through the ropes with determination. At last, the lion stood free, his pride tempered by gratitude. From then on, he learned that mercy and friendship could come from the most unexpected places.